children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 108. ये आपके चैप्टर 16 डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच से है. आपको यहाँ पर सेंटेंसेस इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में दिए हैं, आपको डायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करना है. He asked Rama to go with him. He said to Rama, "Come with me." Rama replied that he could not do so. Rama replied, "I cannot do so." He asked his father when the next letter would come. When will the next letter come? He said to his father. His father replied that there might not be another that year. There may not be another this year, replied his father. Rama asked me what had become of Hari. Rama said to me, "What has become of Hari?" I told him that I had not seen him for months. I have not seen him for months. I said to him, the master requested that they would attend carefully to what he was saying. The master said, "Please attend carefully to what I am saying." I wrote that I would visit him next day. I wrote, "I shall visit him tomorrow." He observed that he had never liked doing that. He observed, "I have never liked doing that." I told them to be quiet. Be quiet, I said to them. He asked me if I had anything to say. Have you anything to say? He said to me. Rama asked Hari if he would change places with him. Rama said to Hari, "Will you change places with me?" He said that he was tired and that he wished to go to bed. "I am tired," he said. "I wish to go to bed." An old mouse asked who would bell the cat. An old mouse said, "Who will bell the cat?" John said that he wanted to be a soldier. John said, "I want to be a soldier." He asked me where I was going. "Where are you going?" He said to me. He asked me what I wanted. "What do you want?" He said to me. Abdul said that he had seen that picture. Abdul said, "I have seen this picture." The boy said that he would go with us. The boy said, "I shall come with you." He said that the earth moves round the sun. He said, "The earth moves round the sun." The stranger asked Alice where she lived. The stranger said to Alice, "Where do you live?" I asked Mary if she would lend me a pencil. I said to Mary, "Will you lend me a pencil?" He told us that he had waited an hour. He said to us, "I have waited INR. The lady inquired if he was now quite well again. Are you now quite well again? The lady inquired. He said that he had come to see them. He said, I have come to see you. He said that though he had come, it was against his will. He said, even though I have come, it is against my will. The speaker said that it gave him great pleasure to be there that evening. The speaker said, it gives me great pleasure to be here this evening. He asked them whether they would listen to such a man. He said to them, will you listen to such a man? He asked me if I could accompany him. He said to me, will you accompany me? He ordered him to leave the room and forbade him to return. He said to me, leave the room and do not return. The mother asked her boy where he had been all the afternoon. The mother said to her boy, where have you been all the afternoon? Hari asked Rama if he had read the letter. Hari said to Rama, have you read the letter? The king asked the philosopher whom he considered the happiest man living. The king said to the philosopher, whom do you consider the happiest man living? The magistrate asked the prisoner what he was doing with his hand in the gentleman's pocket. The magistrate said to the prisoner, what are you doing with your hand in the gentleman's pocket? The fox cried out to the goat that a thought had just come into his head. The fox cried out to the goat, a thought had just come into my head. He advised his sons not to quarrel among themselves when he was dead, but to remain united. He said to his sons, do not quarrel among yourselves when I am dead. Remain united. The lion told the fox that he was very weak, that his teeth had fallen out, and that he had no appetite. The lion said to the fox, I am very weak. My teeth have fallen out. I have no appetite. He replied that he had promised to reward his soldiers and that he had kept his word. He replied, I have promised to reward my soldiers. I have kept my word. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज जिसमें आपको सेंटेंसेस को डायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करना है। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।